Meaning of ex gratia.
Ex gratia.
Ex gratia.
Ex gratia.
Ex gratia. Ex gratia is a Latin term that means by favor or out of kindness. It is typically used to describe a payment made without legal obligation, as a gesture of goodwill or generosity. In other words, an ex gratia payment is one that is made voluntarily and not as a result of any legal requirement. Such payments are often made to compensate people for inconvenience, hardship, or loss caused by a company or organization, even if they are not legally liable. Overall, ex gratia refers to a payment or action taken purely out of a sense of moral obligation or benevolence.